close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hi friends, I am Ashimar. This is my first video of my YouTube channel and today I am going to review the Aether 50X electric scooter.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste.
Before we begin, let us watch the official video of this electric scooter.
Hello.
Hope you like the video. Back to the scooter. When we turn on the key, it opens with the home screen which shows many features like odometer, trip meter, average speed per kilometer, park assist, main speed per kilometer, 4 riding modes like eco mode, ride mode, sport mode and work mode. But there is also a onboard Google navigation with Bluetooth connectivity and 4G LTE technology, and also there are a soft open the air software updates. The body panels are really good. There's a crash guard under the rear seat. No grab rails at the rear. The LED headlights and taillights and indicators are all LEDs. The motor will be cut off by putting the side stand. The body panel are really good. The matte finish are really good. Rear disc brake with one piston. Good monoshock. The foot peg. Good front disc brake with telescopic suspension. Let me show you the boot of this scooter. When we open the boot, we can see a first aid kit under the seat. A 22-liter storage, we can fit a helmet with a LED light bar, but there is no USB charging port. We can charge the scooter under the left side of the handle of the scooter. We can charge the DC fast charger up to 15 kilometers in 10 minutes. We can change the riding modes by switching these buttons upside the front or top of the self-start key. Let me show you the ride quality of the scooter. The ride quality is really good. It is quicker. When we talk about the acceleration, the 0 to 40 kilometers it can achieve in 3.3 seconds. We can connect the scooter with the Aether app to check the ride statistics, charge status, and also we can book services like customer service support and roadside assistance. We can also use the scooter to find the charging points near you. There's also a quick help and vehicle manual in the scooter. Good ride quality. There's also a regenerative braking option in this scooter with GPS and geofencing on the navigation screen. We can find the location through the scooter itself. There was a sound in the warp mode when I was riding. Then let me talk about the pricing of this scooter. Well, there is a price drop of in the FAME 2 scheme of 14,500. Now the price starts from 1,47,000 onwards for this either 450X electric scooter. Then let me talk about the financing. We can apply the financing through loan or lease. Through loan we can apply from the Hero FinCorp and IFDC bank. Through lease we can apply from starting of 4,000 something onwards. 1,637 rupees. Let me show you the interior of the dealership. We can see the riding apparels like the helmet, jackets, and we can see there is a cuff behind the screen. Let me show you the chassis of this scooter. This is a chassis, that is the battery placed under the floor. That is the electric motor. That is the rear disc brake. This is the front front disc brake and telescopic suspension. This is the handlebar. The motor is reared with the belt drive. Good monoshock for the rear passengers comfort. The chassis has a premium quality. If you like the video, show some love in the form of likes and comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with the next video. Hope you like the video. Like and share my channel. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon too. Thank you folks.